Assalamualaikum. Hello viewers, this mechanic is making the engine of motorcycle. The main parts of engine and the circuit are here. This engine is